Look at all this. It's come a big ass flooding down here. Water is everywhere. It may be hard to see it, but you can tell on how much water is already. Just look at this. It's already wet on the floor over here. Water is just pouring down. I don't know if you can hear me that good, but it's just so bad out here. I don't know if we're gonna have a really bad storm or not. Look at all this. It's just not to tell you how much water there is. Water is coming up onto the porch. I mean, look at this. You might not be able to hear. Look how much is already on the floor, on the ground out here. Jeez. You can't even see back there in the back behind the tree back there. You can't even see back behind there. I'm hoping this goes by tonight. If not, we're going to have a lot of bad flooding out here. This is actually the first time in a long time this has ever happened. I could tell you that from experience. This is the first time it's ever happened. I think the last time we had a big flood was in 1940 in Salina, Tennessee. I don't know about this. I will give you guys more updates later. This is Megatronus 1995 signing off.